Trendy hair hacks for every girl. One of the most dominant parts of our facial feature is our hair. When our hair is nice, we tend to look more presentable and beautiful. If it looks otherwise, we might scare people off. Keeping your hair nice and neat may be easy to say, but it can sometimes be complicated to do. Hence, there are hair hacks that exist that can help make our hair more beautiful and hassle-free. Maintaining our hair can also be expensive, but with these hacks, you can even save more money in the smartest way. All you need is just some few things that can be found in your home, follow some steps, and voila! Hi Muze family! Welcome back to our channel. How is everyone doing? We hope all of you are doing great and feeling fantastic. Are you having a bad hair day today? Do you feel like your hair is not always on your side and you feel like they're always grumpy and mad? If you're one of those people who struggle every single day to keep their hair in place and look presentable, then this video that we're going to show you will help you tame your wild hair. By the end of this video, you will be able to handle your hair problems with ease and you won't ever have to worry about having stressful, bad hair days. Let's start the countdown. Hack number 6 for frizzy hair and flyaways. Have you ever experienced using public transport and end up with flyaway hair because of the air? Or perhaps you've tried being exposed under the sun for a long time and it makes your hair frizzy and dry? Whichever it is that you have experienced, the first hair hack that we're going to show you will never let you worry about frizzy hair or flyaways. If you happen to have flyaways, you need help from a small mascara brush. You can buy one from the mall or drugstore, but you can also reuse your old mascara brushes. But if you're going to reuse one, make sure it is clean and it does not have any mascara residue on it. When you already have the mascara brush, spray a little amount of hairspray on the mascara brush. Make sure it is all coated with hairspray. Next, brush the small hairs neatly back to your head. Spray more hairspray if you want to keep the hair in place. After this process, you will now have a cleaner look and your hair won't be a mess. If you think you'll like this hack, stay tuned in this video for more incredible trendy hacks. Hack number 5. For more volumized hair. Do you ever have those days where your hair looks boring and lifeless? There might be days that your hair does look shiny and smooth, but it looks flat and dull. If ever you are experiencing that, make sure to add some life to your hair by adding volume to it. For this hack, you will only need some hair clips, hairspray, and your hair blower. Get a portion of your hair on the center part and clip it using a hair clip. Next, apply spray on that portion of your hair. Once done, get your hair blower and start blow drying your hair. Make sure to blow dry the clipped area. Do this for about 3 minutes. After blow drying your hair, take off the hair clip and run your fingers through your hair. You will see that your hair is more volumized and is now full of life. You will no longer need to be conscious about looking plain and boring, because with a simple hair hack, you can be confident in any outfit you wear. Hack number 4. Tangled morning hair problems. When you wake up, it's normal to have tangled hair. However, there are times when you wake up late for work and you only have limited time to fix yourself and look presentable. If you're one of those people who struggle with bad hair day the moment they wake up, try this hack to change your life. For this hack, you will need a piece of an aloe plant, coconut oil, and your food processor. To start, take the aloe plant and lay it flat on the table. Next, with the use of your kitchen knife, cut through the plant. Once the aloe plant is in half and open, scrape off the gel from the leaf using a spoon. Put the gel in the food processor's container. Next, add an amount of coconut oil. Once done, mix the two ingredients together using the food processor. Blend it for a good 2 to 3 minutes until the texture is liquid. After that, apply the mixture on your hair. Make sure to apply from the scalp down to the ends of the hair. The more parts of the hair you cover, the better. When the hair is all covered with the mixture, leave it on for 30 minutes and cover your hair with a shower cap. After 30 minutes, rinse it. When your hair dries out, it will not look dehydrated or out of life. When you wake up the next day, you will notice your hair is still smooth and silky, and it's okay if you don't want to take a shower. Hack number 3. Failed hair curls. It's another brand new day and you might be thinking about what hairstyle will you be doing today. If you're thinking about what hairstyle to do, why not do curls today? Curly hair brings so much cheer and gracefulness to a person's overall look, and it also brings good vibes. There are tons of ways to curl your hair, but of course, the most common way there is using an electric hair curler. An electric hair curler is quick and easy to use because it uses heat, which is the fastest way to lock in those curls. It is also convenient to use because all you need to do is plug the electric curler in an outlet, let it heat, and then curl your hair. But using an electric hair curler also has its downsides. The most common downside of an electric hair curler is it adds friction on your hair, and it can damage your hair instead. Although it is fast and efficient, it could burn your hair, which will be more time-consuming than ever. However, as we mentioned, there are other ways to curl your hair. Did you know you can curl your hair using a pair of socks? If not, then now you will know. Socks are used to warming our feet, and who would have thought it could also curl your hair, right? If you don't know this hair hack yet, then get your notes and start following this hack. First, divide your hair into 2 sections. Divide it into 2, which is left and right. Next, grab a piece of sock and twist it on one side of your hair. Tie the other end of the sock on top and then work your way down by braiding the sock to your sectioned hair. Next, tie the end on the bottom. Spray on some hairspray and let it sit for an hour. Do the same thing for the other section of your hair. When it's already an hour, take the socks off and you will see your hair has curled and waved. You didn't have to go through the heating and burning process. This is the best way to make your hair curl, and it can be done before you go to work or a date. Hack number 2, long hair problem. This next hack that we're going to show you is for every girl who has super long hair. There are other girls that love to keep their hair long, about waist length, because they want to have a long hair. However, it's not easy to maintain and keep a long length hair, and it can get annoying sometimes. Rather than cutting your precious long hair, why not find a way to keep it long but shorten it without the use of scissors? It may sound confusing, but this is possible. All you need is the help of an old scarf you have at home. To do this hack, wrap the scarf or ribbon around your neck and wrap it back around the hanging strand. Tie a knot and slowly pull it down about 3/4 of the overall hair length. Make sure the knot is tight. Once it is, lift the tie up so the tail of your hair will go upwards. Next, tie the scarf on top of your hair and make a perfect bow. With that, you will now have a shorter hair length without using any scissors. It is convenient to do every day as well. Hack number 1. Hide your money in a scrunchie. Whether you just want to go out for a quick walk or you want to visit a friend at their place, it's convenient to just walk around without bringing a purse, pouch, or a bag. However, to some, it may seem impossible, because where will they keep their pocket money, right? Putting money in your pants or pockets can be risky, because it may either fall out of your pockets or worse, it can be pickpocketed by other people down the street. However, there is a secret hack that girls can do to keep their money from falling out or being stolen. The secret? Your very own hair scrunchie. Girls bring around hair scrunchies all the time, but not many girls know it can be used as a secret money holder. If you're one of those clueless girls, then take down notes and follow this hack. To start, get your scrunchie. With a blade or scissors, cut the seam of the scrunchie or make a hole to it. Make sure the hole is big enough for you to put a dollar bill inside. Next, get 2 Velcro seals and glue it on both sides of the scrunchie. Put the Velcro inside. Next, try to open and close the scrunchie and see if it seals perfectly. If it does, then congratulations! Put your dollar bill inside the scrunchie and seal it after. With that, you don't have to bring any wallet or purse when you want to go out real quick. Just store your bills inside the scrunchie, tighten your hair, and you're good to go. No one will ever think of getting your scrunchie in the first place, which makes it safe for you to store your bills in it. Smart hack, isn't it? Bonus tip. One of the best natural and organic way of keeping your hair healthy, shiny, and smooth is using organic plants and ingredients such as coconut oil, almond oil, aloe vera gels, and other plant-based extracts. The human hair is one of the most subtle part of the body, and it is also one of the most exposed ones. Hence, it is important for one to maintain their hair regularly. Salon treatment can be expensive, and if you don't do it regularly, it might cause damage to your hair. Having an organic method of keeping your hair healthy is highly recommended, and it won't cost you money for it. So that's it, Muze Fam. Another epic and helpful hair hack video for all the girls out there that struggle with hair problems every day. You don't have to worry about stressful bad hair days anymore, because these hacks can surely save your day. You will feel more confident, beautiful, and less haggard when you use these hacks. Plus, you can share these hacks to your other girlfriends as well. Go girl power! Which of these hacks do you like the most? Let us know in the comment section. Let us know in the comment because we want to hear your thoughts as well. If you want to catch some other cool and awesome videos from us, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe down below and be notified whenever we post a new hot and exciting video. We always brew awesome hacks and videos that you will surely love and enjoy, so don't miss out. See you again in our next video, folks. Bye!